how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 13 of your class 6 English grammar, that is prepositions. So let's begin with this lesson. Prepositions are words which are placed before nouns or pronoun. ये ऐसे words है जो कहाँ place होते हैं, noun या pronoun से पहले place होते हैं to show the relation between the nouns or pronouns. किसने show का relation दिखाने के लिए nouns या pronouns के बीच में, and some other words in a sentence. So a preposition is usually placed before a noun or pronoun. It governs. So कहाँ place होता है, noun या pronoun से पहले जिसको govern करता है. Like with examples given below. The fruits are in the basket. Fruits कहाँ पे, basket में है. Nepali is sitting beside Sahil. I am fond of orange juice. His pockets are full of money. Akhil stood between two girls. आगे कहाँ खड़ा है, दो girls के बीच में. So in, beside, of, between, ये क्या है आपके prepositions है. Now let's talk about prepositions of place. Few prepositions are used to indicate a place or where something takes place. एक क्या indicate करती है, उस preposition की कहाँ कोई place indicate करती है कि कहाँ पे कोई चीज हुई है. Like at or in. At is used with smaller places such as town. At कहाँ पे use होता है, smaller places जैसे town हो गया, villages, schools, etc. For example, my mother is at home. मेरी mother कहाँ पे है, घर पे है. My uncle lives in Hyderabad. मेरे uncle कहाँ रहते हैं, हैदराबाद रहते हैं. In is used with the names of continent. In कहाँ पे use होता है, names of continent के साथ use होता है, countries, states and large cities के साथ. For example, my brother is in Meerut. मेरे brother कहाँ पे है, मेरठ में है. Pankaj has been living in Kolkata for 5 years. So in क्या हो गया, at और in क्या हो गया, आपका preposition of place हो गया. When is used when we use the name of city, state or country together in a sentence, we use at for the city. हम at use करते हैं city के लिए and state के लिए in use करते हैं. And city और state के लिए हम at use करते हैं and country के लिए हम in use करते हैं. For example, I met her at New York in USA. At आ गया आपका city और state के लिए, in आ गया आपका country के लिए. They live at Rajghat in Delhi. Now at or on. At is used for a particular place or point which we want to mention. At आपका particular place or point के लिए use होता है जो आप mention करना चाहते हो. For example, somebody is standing at the gate. कोई gate पे खड़ा है. We use on when we talk of a place as surface. Like for example, the book is on the shelf. कहाँ पे एक surface के ऊपर है तो on लगा देंगे. So on the shelf. Between और among का लगता है जो किसी के बीच में. Between होता है दो चीजों के लिए और among दो से ज्यादा चीजों के लिए. Between is used for two things or person. Avinash is sitting between Sahil and Kapil. Avinash का बैठा है, साहिल और कपिल के बीच में बैठा है. Among is used for more than two things or person. Among दो से ज्यादा चीजों और person के लिए use होता है. Distribute these toffees among the students. ये toffees distribute कर दो students के among. Beside or opposite. We use beside when we mean by the side of. Like for example, Mr. Arora is standing beside his son. Mr. Arora का standing है son के beside. Our house is opposite the supermarket. हमारा house का opposite है supermarket के. By also can be used for beside. For example, why are you standing by my chair? We can also use to close. We can also use close to. For example, his house is quite close to the police station. Now, near to. We use near when we want to say something close by. Near को जब बोलते हैं जब कोई चीज हमारे बिल्कुल पास हो. Like this, there is a park near the school. एक school park है मेरे school के पास. Near to. Near to is the same as nearer. Our office is very near to the metro station. एकदम सेम होता है नियर की, नियर की तरह. तो मेरा ऑफिस कहाँ पे एकदम नियर टू है मेट्रो स्टेशन के पास. Some more prepositions of place. Above. अंकिता hang the photo above the sofa. कहाँ hang करी इसमें फोटो, सोफा के ऊपर. Some birds were flying above us. कुछ birds हमारे ऊपर fly कर रही हैं. Now after क्या होता है बाद में. The policeman is running. ये हमारे पीछे भी होता है. The policeman is running after the thief. Policeman thief के पीछे भाग रहा है. 11 comes after 10. कब आता है 11? 10 के बाद आता है. Now along. The children were walking along the river. कहाँ walk करे children? River के along. There are tables along the wall. Tables are wall के along. Around, for example, the earth revolves around the sun. Sun के around revolve कर रहा है earth. My sister wears a necklace around her neck. मेरी sister necklace पहन रही है मेरे neck के around. Across मतलब पार. There was a bridge across the river. एक bridge था river के across. We used to swim across the pond. हम क्या करते थे? Across मतलब pond के पार जाते थे. Against होता उसके बिल्कुल opposite. So don't lean against the wall. Punjab played against Chennai in the final of IPL. Upon किसी चीज के ऊपर. For example, the tiger jumped upon the goat. A saint floats upon the water. So up का आता है ऊपर. Rohan climbed up the ladder. Sohan is going up the stairs. To का आता है किसी जगह. I am going to school. Dinesh wrote a letter to his uncle. किसी को indicate करता है to. Like under, नीचे आता है under. The boy was sitting under the table. The farmers will take rest. Now, the farmers will take rest under the tree. Now, through. For example, the soldiers march through the towns. The bus is passing through the tunnels. Through the town or through the tunnels. Now, over. A high cliff hangs over the sea. The helicopter is flying over the sea. मतलब किसी चीज के ऊपर. Prepositions of time. The prepositions of time are used to indicate time or when something takes place. क्या indicate करता है time या किस time पे कोई चीज take place करती है. At, we use at for the time of day. हम कहाँ at use करते हैं? Time of the day के लिए use करते हैं. A definite period में, meal time में, festival और group activities में. For example, my father will come back at 5:30 p.m. We started our journey at dawn. Ajay does not talk at breakfast. She did not see me at the function. किसी जगह पे. Now on is used to show days and dates, festival and day, or day followed by part of the day. Like I was born on 8 March. So the students will submit the project on Monday. Rohit will come on Sunday. We usually go to the temple on Diwali. क्या indicate कर रहा है? Days या date festival indicate करता है या फिर कुछ भी चीज की अब चीज यो हुई थी. So इनका भी यूज करते हैं किसी चीज के अंदर. And is used for longer period like months, season, years or parts of the day. Like I came to Delhi in कब आई थी? किससे दिल्ली के अंदर कब आई थी? 2007 में आई थी. The second World War began in 1939. My birthday falls in July. We shall not go anywhere in winters. Now some more prepositions of time like before, by. For example, before. We should take our lunch before 2 p.m. हमें 2 बजे से पहले अपना lunch कर लेना चाहिए. I shall reach there before the meeting. I returned some home before it started to rain. Now by. I shall reach there by 28th January. Kalpana returned from Washington by Tuesday. We will have returned by 9 p.m. Now during. For example, don't go outside during night. रात में तुम्हें घर से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. रात चल रही है. I will sleep during journey. मैं जर्नी के ड्यूरिंग मतलब जो चीज चल रही है उसमें सो जाऊंगा. So for example, for. May I borrow your books for अभी इतने दिन के लिए मतलब. Pulkit stayed there for 3 years. We went to Dehradun for a month. So we went to the USA for 5 years. Now after, for example, I feel bored after working at 9. मैं बोर फील कर रहा हूँ पूरी रात वर्क करने के बाद. She came home after office hours. वो ऑफिस आवर्स के बाद घर आई. Rest after finishing your homework. आपको अपना रेस्ट करना है अपना होमवर्क फिनिश करने के बाद. He went to Delhi after his exams. वो दिल्ली गया अपने एग्जाम्स के बाद. So until जब तक ना हो. Don't go until I return. जब तक मैं वापस ना हूँ बाहर मत जाना. I watched the cartoon until midnight. आधी रात तक उसने कार्टून देखे. For example, note. Till can also be used instead of until. Pratik watched the TV till 5 p.m. Now, since she had been sleeping since 2 o'clock, jab se Tanmay had waited for the bus since 9 o'clock. I have been living here since 1998. I have met the Madhu since last year. Now, between, for example, the shop remains closed between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. A fight took place between two sisters. दो बहनों के बीच में लड़ाई हो गई between. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a wonderful day.